Hey guys, we're gonna do a little fishing. It's just a little bit of stream here. We're gonna see if any fish is in this creek whatsoever. It's just small, little bitty creek. Oh, I done got one the first cast. Oh, look at that. Look at that. If y'all know what that is right there, that's a little baby bass is what that is. I might as well, since it's the first cast, let me go ahead and get that thing out of there so I won't hurt it. I gotta be real careful. There you go, didn't hurt a bit. Look at that, y'all. Let me go ahead and give it a big kiss. Mwah. There is the little bass right there. Well, it jumped on the ground. Oh, it's gone. Let me go ahead and knock it back in the water right quick. Oh, I'll leave that in the video. Look, I got good reflex. I almost fell in there. I got the little bass back in there safely. That'll let you know, even these little creeks, I didn't think this little creek had any bass in it. I thought it was just full of brim. Let me go ahead and redo this back. I'm glad I didn't fall in there because it is snaky here. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can catch something else. That right there ain't gonna fill you up. That lets me know little bass is in here too. I know brim, I've seen a few brim. I ain't fishing with no worms, so I was gonna try to catch a little bit bigger brim or something in here, but I wasn't expecting to catch no little bitty baby bass. You never know, though. That is the littlest bass I've ever caught in my entire life, too. See if I can pitch under that over there. You can see I ain't got much of a fishing hole here whatsoever. But I have seen a few fish jump over that way. Maybe y'all seen that and jump right then. That's a decent sized one. Let me see if I can cast over there. I'll cast it back in the same spot. I'm just having to take it so easy right here so I won't get snagged up. Let me throw it a little further over. Yeah, that's about where I wanted it if I don't get hung up. Try to throw it on that fish one more time.